In today's video, I will show you how to save or convert any image into JPG format on your laptop quickly and easily. So I've got a WebP image saved on my desktop and we are going to convert it to JPG using just the Paint app. Let's get started. So first you need to go to the image you want to convert. In this case, the WebP image on your desktop. Now right click on the image from the menu, choose open with and then select paint. As you can see, the image opens up right inside the paint application. Now you need to go to the top left corner and click on file. Then click on save as and choose the option that says JPG picture. Paint will now ask where you want to save your image. Choose your desired folder, give your file a name and click save. Now let's check the result together. Here's the new JPG version of your image and as you can see it worked perfectly. You have successfully converted your WebP image into JPG format in just few clicks. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.